40% argon.
Hi, I'm here to pick up some fire extinguishers.
Oh yes. Sure, thank you.
12, 48, 72. My back. 4, 20, 72. Yellow. $12. Cash card. Cash. Oh, sorry, card. I'm so sorry.
I don't think I've ever seen pay cash. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. My camera died, so I didn't get a chance to record the rest of the stuff that we picked up, but this is all from the same job. They had an old office desk that was falling apart that we took, and then also about 9 tires you see there that we also grabbed. I would love to get that garbage out too, somehow. But how? Hopefully none of these go off. Time bomb. Kobe! Almost. A wee bit heavy. Perfection. That's it. Now we just gotta take care of all these 189 fire extinguishers. I'll drop these tires off with my C-can. I'll try and sell them. Okay, the first part of the job is taking off the tires and posting them for sale right away. Almost had it. Just making sure there's no weather cracking. Is this worth selling as a 3-set? And all this we'll take care tomorrow, because I gotta get some 55-gallon barrels. That's where all that powder is gonna go. Anyway, I already took pictures of all 2 sets and a 3/4 set. Let's get those loaded up and get them posted. We pull the pin, and then we just... So satisfying. And then we just... Psh. And we just got to do that 180 more times. Whoa.
I don't know what it is about pulling pins, but I don't know. That's so satisfying. Like every time I pull a pin, it feels like it's just gonna blow up, you know? Man, this guy looks ancient. 1963. Dang, that's cool. Oh, perfect. I'm helping. These guys are, well, this one at least is like 500 pounds. Oh, jeez. That's it. Oh, you can put it right here. Just move these. I'm gonna go get the strap. We're just rushing because there's a lady that called, said there's a deer that tried to jump her fence and it pierced itself and died. And that was last night, so prefer to do that job ASAP so that we don't have a smelly situation. Hello?
I'm not gonna show any more than is necessary. If you want to pause the video, you can try and find the deer on a fence, but it was not pretty, so I'm just gonna stop it here, and then you'll just see me pull up to the landfill and then have another quick glance at the deer at the end, and then that's it.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Oh, not too bad. Got another 24 minutes, but who's counting?
Right. Well, be quick.
What do you guys got on this one?
I'm only dropping off the deer.
Oh, the deer.
Yeah.
Are you familiar with the carcass? It's $100. Yeah. Where'd you get it from? Why'd you pick it up?
West Kelowna, it tried to jump a fence and pierced itself.
Oh, I've heard that's actually quite common.
Yeah, it's my second one.
Yeah.
From the same lady.
No way.
Yeah,
They need to change that fence.
yeah, they do. You okay on camera?
New camera?
Yeah.
No way.
You fine with it?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
See you on the way out.
Yeah.
Thanks.
We're gonna save the city some airspace. So yeah, I guess just put it right here if possible.
All right.
They charge you $200 for this thing.
They told me 100.
Okay. Oh, they did the smaller fee. That's good. Okay. Well, what would your quote even look like for that? Because you have to, like, your junk removal, but.
It was 60 kilos. Bye.
Okay, I decided I'm gonna keep the metal ones and give the aluminum ones to the scrapyard. So we put all of the metal ones into already an existing pile from the last batch that we did. I wanna try and do something with them. Metal, 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 metal. This is all of the aluminum fire extinguishers we'll sell, but first we gotta get rid of these two. So we'll go to the landfill, and then after that we'll go to the scrapyard.
Hey, morning. We have fire extinguisher powder. Asbestos pile.
Asbestos?
Yeah.
Is that where you're taking it before?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna send you to inspection.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
That was a lot of fire extinguisher powder. Was it actually all of that?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Why? How much was it?
450 kilos.
Oh, yeah.
47.70.
It's
Like how many were there?
189. Yeah.
Did you have to empty them all yourself?
Yeah.
How fun was that?
Well, the emptying part, like the squishing part, is fun, but we also have to unscrew them, and then that was the boring part.
Yeah.
The fun lasted for 2 hours, and then.
Okay, well, that's awesome.
Okay,
Have a
bye.
good day, Chris.
I need you!
Say goddamn.
Yeah. And I have about 300 metal ones.
Machines. Perfect. Okay, let me get a big old fucking bin and
Yes, sir.
We'll get weighing and paying.
Yes, sir.
That's all right loading up if I get rid of other shit.
No problem. Nice. Check it out.
Not as pretty, but not bad for a fucking pile of aluminum, that's for sure. You know, it's always worth coming to see me.
Yeah,
It's,
always.
More than just a pretty face, you know?
Yeah.
Take it easy, Nick.
Yeah, bye, Kyle. For all that, 246 pounds extruded aluminum, and then they pay us $1.08 for that, which comes to 256. And then for the rest of the extinguishers that are in the shipping container, I'll try to do something with them. If they get in the way in the summer, if I need more space, I'll have to scrap them too. But I want to try and upcycle them, like maybe make a little bit more money off of them. But for now, 265 for the extruded, that's not too bad. Got more space too. So yeah.